Hey everybody, it's Keith with the L1 Automotive Training Channel, and today, this is what we have. We have a W207 EIS ignition switch, a pair of keys from Ian's 2015 C350. Luckily, this is not an FSB4 car. Ian purchased a electronic steering lock repair kit off Amazon, eBay, something like that, because the steering lock was stuck unlocked. He believed that was the problem. Ian is a technician here in town at another shop. He installed a repair kit. The motor moved one time and went to the lock position, and then that was it. Ian believes that the ESL is bad or something, which is very probable. So we're going to do a steering lock actuator emulator for him. So we have those here. We have two of his keys, and we have the EIS, and then we have an EIS emulator. Because Ian already has everything taken out, he doesn't care to put larger style one back in place of the actual lock. I have those. I do stock those for the 204 and the 207s. I think 211s might be the same also. No, 212. 211, 207, 212. So I'm going to go through that process for you. I actually haven't used this emulator before. I normally use the larger ones. So I don't know. Hopefully that light changes, because honestly the other ones I use, I know that they're done when they make the electronic locking noise. So we'll let this load the files in here, and then we'll write the ESL data to this emulator, and it'll ask us for the password that we extracted that I took a picture on my phone. I'll just type it in manually. All right, that's all calculated. It loaded the ESL. We'll click OK.
Hold up, is this getting kind of confusing? Well, if it is, you guys can head over to l1training.com, and I have hundreds of hours of advanced level training. We cover diagnosis, module programming, EEPROM, immobilizer, keys, board repairs, all of the great stuff you guys have questions about at l1training.com.
Then we're going to go write ESL data right above that. Write ESL data. This should cannot communicate with ECU. What? Okay, so this one's not working. Let me grab one of my other ones. Okay, we switched over to the normal emulators that I use. So let's... Okay, as you can see, the ESL serial number is nothing. The ESL number's in there. Hardware version, none of that stuff's in there. So we're going to go OK. This is what normally happens with these ones that I get. Take a working key or one that was working before, stick it in. I'll get the mic close to that in case you can't hear it. I'll set it right on it. Here we go. We'll pull it out. So the little click there, ka-chunk is electronic ka-chunk you hear, is the ESL emulator. So we'll set him up with this emulator. The pair of keys that are already his, we didn't have to make him an extra one. He's got two good working keys. We read them both. They're in there. So that's doing an emulator. Link to the emulator in the description. And thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.